Okay, that's
Yeah,
better.
yeah, okay.
That's
So,
better.
all right. So now, generally, what I'm sharing
Yes.
my trades for today. A bit crazy, but you see what I didn't do. I think I was multitasking. I was doing so many things. I was not paying attention.
Yes.
So ukiangalia the 1 hour, the right hand side screen.
Yes.
Right hand, yeah. So this screen, uh, I believed that it was going up. The market is going up. Let me just remove it. Okay. Okay, one may pop out.
Yeah.
Okay. So clearly the market is going up. Sindio?
Yes.
Yes. So what I foresee happening, okay, and if I can just mark some notes, what I see happening is, you see, I'll start from here. Okay, maybe from here. The market went like that. Ikaja chini hapo, ikaenda hivyo, ikaja chini, ikaenda mpaka, let's just say here, ikaja chini. So now it's trying to go back again. So if it's going back, it's going to probably go all the way back here. Unaona hiyo? That's the
Yes.
first point it might hit because there could be a resistance support line there. But if it breaks that, it might actually hit this spot. Unaona hii spot hapa hivi? This is a very
Uh-huh.
interesting spot because hapa kuna a line. Unaona hii line hiyo? That is a trend line.
Yeah. Yeah. Excuse
Okay?
me.
Alafu hii pia is a
Mm-hmm.
trend line. And those trend lines, I just drew them. It's not rocket science. It's not, you just look at the charts,
Mm.
you draw what you see. You just,
Okay.
yeah. So like now, I drew two parallel lines. Hii ilifika hapo na hapo, si ndio? So that is one line.
Yes.
Alafu hii kutoka hapo na hapo na hapo. Those are three lines. So there are two parallel lines. And this market has been playing
Yes.
in this spot, si ndio? But generally,
In between.
yeah, going up. So in between those two parallel lines, but then there's something that also formed up. Unaona hiyo trend line ya kwanza juu hivyo, alafu the market goes
Yeah.
down, alafu ya pili juu hivyo, and then the market came back kidogo. So in all practical
Yes.
sense, ukiangalia hapa juu inaonekana the market might just be going up, ndio?
Yes.
Now, are we 100% sure? Usually, no. There's no guarantees in forex. Yeah, but generally,
Yes.
ukiangalia hapa, this is the last high. This is the last high.
Yeah.
High the market ilifika. Unaona hapo? So
Yes.
if the market
Yes.
is actually kutoka hapa ikaja chini mpaka hapo, so
Uh-huh.
now it's trying to go back to revisit the last high. Okay, that's what the market does.
Yes.
It will come back, and
Yes.
more likely itaenda mpaka the last high, which is there. Unaona?
Yes.
So if actually I was to mark,
Uh-huh.
if I was to mark it, I should probably go here and take this horizontal line here and mark here to give me a heads up right there before the week apple. Unaona hivyo?
Yes. Yes.
So that's where the market, in my mind, this market will try and hit there. So if I'm going to take a trade even here, I have to make sure that it has to fall before that line because the market will come ikifika hapo. I don't know. I'm not sure or guaranteed itaenda mpaka huko juu. It could.
Yes.
The very high likelihood it will, but at least for now, this is what I know. Itatoka hapa ifike hapo, si ndio? So let's measure how many pips that is. So if you measure that, you measure from where it is now, where the brown line is, you scroll mpaka hapo juu. That's about 9.1 pips. Umeona?
Okay. Uh-huh.
9.1 pips. So because it's 9.1
Yes.
pips, I can now go to the lower time frame and see what's happening. So I detach. You can't make detach. I now
Yes.
retouch the chart. When you retouch,
Retouch hiyo hapo kwa the same crosshair.
No. Do you see my cursor?
Wait,
Do you see my
your
cursor?
your cursor. Yes, okay, hapo reattach chart.
Yes. Umeona hiyo? So
Yes.
I'll click on it and see what happens. Okay, so unaona imerudi.
Yes.
I had 3 charts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So because I have a general feeling kwamba the market on the 1 hour is going up, and even this wicks, unaona hizi za chini hizi, these are called wicks. They look like tails. Unaziona?
You answer this.
Unaona hizo on the 1 hour time frame. Look at my cursor.
1 hour. I can see the 1 hour.
Yeah, the chart. The chart. The cursor is right there. You can see the cursor.
I'm not seeing it.
You don't see my cursor?
On the on the one on the right, extreme right.
Yes, extreme right. On the last candle.
Okay, what I see on the last candle, I can see the green one, the green candle.
Yes, the green one. So my cursor is right below there. Do you see it?
Okay.
Okay,
Not
anyway,
visible.
if it's not visible, let me see if I can mark it. Okay, so I'm going to mark it here. Unaona those tails, unaziona?
Yes.
Yeah, so
once you circle.
Yes, ukiona hizo they look like tails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means there's pressure coming from down, going up.
Okay.
Which means chances are this market will actually go up. Right?
Okay.
So I know that the market will probably try to hit this point, like tumesema. So then I go to smaller time frame, the 5 minutes. The 5 minute, it means that whereas I am here right now, it's very likely the market will come back to revisit there. Sendio?
All right. Yes.
So these are orange candles, but very soon I should see some green candles going up.
Yes.
Sendio? That means on the 1 minute, I should look for opportunities to go up. So like here, unaona vile imefika chini sahi, this is good. This is a good opportunity to now start buying. Why? Because you're gonna go up. Why? Chini. When it's coming down like that, sisi tunafanya nini? Tunabuy.
Yes.
Right? Because the market has been going like this, evil. So now it might actually go up. So right now, I start entering buys. You know, already I've done that before. But for you, that's what you would do. You'd be entering the buys, right?
Yes.
So ideally, when the market was coming down, that's when you would have been taking the buys. But it's okay. Yeah. Higher.
Yeah.
Any question now?
Okay. So now, I can see now from your screen, you have all the 3 charts on the same screen, eh?
Yes.
Most of the time when I am going to a particular screen, I only have one window on the screen at a time. So how do I get them to be like in this state?
Okay. What I'll do, I will kill, let me see. Okay. All right. This is what you have, eh?
Yes, I have something like this.
Okay. So, and then do you have this one's on top? Iyo zombi tatu on different time frames.
Then I have the other 2 on top.
Yes. Okay, good. So now to view the way I was viewing, you just go to this point here, one of the layout.
Oh, layout.
Yes. So if you click on layout, okay, and I click, I remove the trade watch. You know your trade watch?
Yes.
If I remove trade watch, see what will happen. Okay, look at my positions pale chini, look at my trades. Okay, see what will happen. I'm gonna click 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Ah, yeah. What has happened?
when you click that, I think it brought in now one. Wait. Okay, now I can see one screen. I think it's the
1 minute.
I don't know. Is this the one the whatever?
Yeah, the 1 minute.
The 1 minute. Is it 1 minute?
Yes.
And it's enlarged.
Yes. It's enlarged.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So now, if I move my cursor to the right and click on multi-chat mode, this right now I'm on a single chat mode. If I click on multi-chat mode,
Yes, I've seen that.
Yes, a lot of these things you'll have to just play around with them to get comfortable. So if I click on it, see what happens.
Yes.
This multi-chat mode. Okay, I click on it.
Yes.
And then see what has happened.
Okay, I can see 3 boxes or charts. Now the charts are formed, but on the right there are 2 charts, one on top of the other one.
Yep.
Then on the left there is one big chart.
Yes.
Then I think the one on the left is the 1 minute.
Yes.
Then on top right we have 5 minutes, and underneath we have 1 hour.
This is my favorite setup. If I just want to, maybe I'm trading on the 1 minute, okay, and so I just need to know what's going on. So what I do, I can see what's going on in the 5 minutes. You can, it's like having a bird's eye view at everything without necessarily getting in. Yet at the same time, on the 1 minute, I can now easily take my trades just by looking.
Yes.
So the 1 minute, I can go here and decide, okay, I want to take some trades. I can click on buy. Why? Because I'm thinking that the market will will go up. All right.
Will go up.
Yeah. Now, even though for right now on the 1 minute it's a bit risky, because if you are to draw support and resistance, okay, if you to draw support and resistance, okay, I'm drawing that support there. A trend line, yes, a trend line. And then I'll draw another trend line. So another trend line, maybe from here. Okay, so something like that. So it seems like using geometry, this chart or the 1 minute, and it doesn't always go like that, but it is more likely than not kwamba itaenda hivi alafu imekuja juu alafu ikaenda chini ikaenda juu. It might come down first before it goes up, sindio?
Yes,
it might, which means that right here where we are, it looks like the market might actually come down first before iende juu, even though in the 5 minute we know it is going up. On the 1 minute, in the 1 hour, we know it's going up. So this might be the trajectory. Now, is it guaranteed that it must go like this? Probably not. But we have an idea kwamba hata ikikuja chini hivi, there's more pressure to go up.
Yes.
So for me, I would measure what is the distance between here and maybe the last high, which was here. How many pips is it? Okay. Oh, so I don't know. You see, it's coming down. No. I quickly will measure so that I can see if I should actually enter the trade. So I come here. Okay. I'm taking 2 pips trades. So vile imekuja hapa chini, if I enter here, can I get 2 pips? That's 1.8. That's 2.3. Yes, definitely. No. So this is a perfect place to enter. Okay. Ideally, the best would be upper chini. Okay. The best would be upper chini, because that would give me about 3 pips or something. So by the fact that imekuja chini hivi, and I know if I enter here, the 2 pips will be under this yellow line. Unaona hiyo?
The yellow horizontal line.
Yes, the one I've just drawn, this line here.
Yes, yes.
So that means I can confidently enter the trades. Oops, imeshuka juu haraka. But I would enter here so that if I take a trade, it will actually be 2 pips. You know, it's very likely that, okay, so I'm taking a trade now. Let me just take a couple to see if it will make, okay. So hapo nimechukua trades mob kabisa. But what am I trying to do? I'm trying to show you kwamba, unaona? So now they are concentrating around here. Unaona hapa hivi, it's becoming thicker.
Yes.
So that's 2 pips. That's 2 pips. Unaona? So if I take now, if I take them now, the 2 pip target itashuka itaenda mpaka juu. Unaona? Now there's a likelihood that ikifika hapa, the market might come down again. So it might not hit the target nikiweka huko juu. This yellow thing here.
Yes.
Unaona? So but hapa hivi, hapa hivi it's more likely it will hit. In fact, utaona ikihit hapa hivi, utaona zikichukua profit. A lot of profit. Unaona? So we always work on probabilities, you know, the likelihood of something to happen. So this is likely to get here first before it gets ukoju.
True.
So, yes, I will only take trades if the distance from here to wherever I am is at least 2 pips. Why?
The distance from this yellow line that you've drawn and where you want to enter the trade.
Yes, must be at least 2 pips.
Okay.
Do you understand why?
Yeah, so that you let me try and see if I can explain it. You are trying to aim for 2 pips, and you also try to project that the market is going to go up, so that there are positive pips. And so should it now turn as per your projection, then you can be sure that you have got at least the positive pips.
Yes, absolutely. And also, what you can say, ni kwamba, if this is my target is there, okay, I want to enter and almost be reassured kwamba I will hit my target. I will not enter the trade. If the trade is going down, you see, I don't want to enter here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I'm hoping kwamba niki enter hapa, then from here to there, I will have my 2 pips. So if the market is moving, then by the time nifike the last high, I'll have gotten all this itakuwa ni positive pips. I'll have made my, you know, and that is what Forex strategy is all about. At least my strategy. The market is more likely to come back to the last high. It always does that. See, when it was here, it aimed and went back, but how far did it go? It went to the last high. This was the last high right here.
Yes. Yes.
So ikashuka chini tena. So now where will it go again? Probably last high. Unakumbuka the definition of trend line of when the market is trending?
Yes.
Unakumbuka? It's a higher high and a lower low. Higher high, lower low.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So let me just okay. So here, how do we know if the market is trending? Because this was a low, okay, and this is a high, maybe a high here. Okay.
Yes.
So this is a low and this is a high, and then market ikaja chini. It came down. Okay, it came to a higher low.
A higher low.
Yes, and now ikafanya a higher high.
A higher high, yes.
Yes. Okay. So now here is where it becomes interesting. Ikaja hapa, okay, ika form another low, but this one, in view of the big picture, kama tungechukua hivi alafu tuseme imekuja hapa, this should have been our higher low.
Yes.
Yeah. So that then E becomes now a higher high. Yeah. So then it comes down. This becomes another higher low. Sindio?
Yes.
So when we have a higher low, what will happen?
When you have a higher low, it's likely to go to a higher
high. Exactly. Which will be higher than this last high. Sindio?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why when you're going to take trades buy, make sure the buy has enough space here, from here to that point. If the space here was 1.6, but my pip target is 2 pips, then I will not take it.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Does it make sense? Yeah?
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I've been trying to follow the way you have been illustrating with the lines particularly.
Yes.
And it's I hope you recorded this one so
yes,
that
yes.
when I have time I can look at it pole.
Yes.
But so far it has made sense. I think what I could say is that there is need to sometimes just go through what has been said over and over and over.
Yes.
Looking also at the illustrations, and then now going into the market and trying it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So that now it actually begins creating an impression in the mind.
Yes. Yes.
Because for something to really sink in, the mind has to see it repeatedly.
Yes.
And understand the logic behind it.
Yeah.
And then it makes sense to the mind. Once it makes sense, it becomes a second nature.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. And also, I think there is the whole idea of demystifying the concept of Forex.
Yes.
You see, I think for a long time, I think in my mind, and also given the story I told you how I lost my money to some con men. So there is that part of mine. I know Forex is very legit, but there is that part of my mind that is still trying to grapple with that idea. Then there is also another part of my mind which is also trying to make sure I overcome that challenge. Because you see, I see if I master this and I come to a point of really being quote unquote a guru, then I can recover whatever I lose. I mean, not necessarily from the same from those con guys. I can now, through my own diligence, see how I can actually recover that. And make more.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so I think I've got it's like I'm on a seesaw. You know, seesaw, it goes up and down.
Yes.
So I think it also depends on which area at that particular point in time is getting more traction.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm seeing it's coming.
Yes. So
yeah,
remember when we started talking, when we started our discussion, the market was somewhere. Let me use a different color now. The market was actually around here. Unakumbuka? It was somewhere there.
Yes.
Okay, and I was saying my goal is to make sure that I will only enter a buy if the distance from here to here, minimum 2 pips.
2 pips, true.
Yes. Because if it is less than 2 pips, I will not enter. Because if I enter it, then if it's less than 2 pips, I would not hit my target because the market will go there and then it will come back. And that's how people get losses. Nalewa.
Yes.
Because you enter here
yes.
and your take profit is somewhere here, but market inafika hapa juu, alafu inaweza kwenda chini, then what happens? This trade ambayo ulichukua buy, as soon as the market comes back and now it's on the same level, it starts becoming a negative. Inaanza kuwa big losses, and then you get kicked out. No.
Okay.
So what do we do? Before we enter the trade, we make sure that at least you can hit your target before that turning point.
Yes.
Before the turning point. I know this is messy now, but the fact that the market didn't go the way we wanted, what do? It goes down a little more. So now those trades start becoming negative. So then I looked for the next point where there was a bit of resistance. I think it was somewhere around here. And then I enter more trades, buys. So nimeweka buys hapa nimeweka buys hapo, okay, and this is still breaking down. The next stop, if any, might be somewhere there. Ikipita mpaka chini, I'll also enter buys over there. Now, ukiangalia my statement so far, or rather, before I close the account, they'll be showing very big negative, very huge negative. Why? Because I took trades here that have not taken profit. Okay, so now they're now negative. I took trades here that have not taken profit. They're even more negative. I took trades here, okay, or rather, I will take trades here. Now, anywhere beyond here, I might decide, okay, those negatives are too much. What do I do? I'll kill them and get out of the trade with a loss.
Yes. Okay.
But if I'm confident the market will turn, then it's okay. I will just keep trading. But ikipita hapo izidi kuendelea, then see there's another place here. So you mark these places where beyond which you want to get out if the market is going against you.
Yes.
So those are decisions you make as you trade. So here I should have made a decision kwamba this is my first point, entering trades there.
Yes.
Okay. Buy. Okay, ikipita hapo, then the next point ni hapo. Buys, next point ni hapo. Beyond which, so ikifika hapa, remember now I'll be in negatives. I will be in serious negatives, yeah? And ikifika hapa, then I'm even in more serious negatives, all right? Now, let me show you where we are right now. So I go back here to the layout. My layout.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, so I click on the layout. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, my computer is freezing now. Okay, I click on Trade Watch. Okay, see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay, see what happens. 1, 2, 3. I've clicked on Trade Watch. All right. You see what has happened?
Okay, so now it brought them into kind of like the same line. They are all on an horizontal kind of like position.
Yes.
Then previously the positions were not seen, but now I can see the positions. It's like 300 and something.
Yep. So you can look at your trades now, Cindy.
Yes.
So now
down here. Yes.
Yeah. So now the idea is okay. I can remove this to drawings. The drawings have been moved. Yeah. So now I have the 1 minute there, and then I have the 5 minute there, and then I have the 1 hour. Okay.
Yeah.
So whereas I had said market ikifika hapa, I may decide to kill the trades or here. But see now inafika hapa inakuja juu. Alafu saa zingine inarudi chini tena. So let's hope kwamba, because this is a low. Oh, see unaona imechukua profit. Unaona? It's taking all my profits. Unaziona?
That is on the first window, the 1 minute.
Yes. Well, all of them. Yeah, they are a replica of each other. Yeah.
Yes.
Yani, one window is a mirror of the other, of the other. So these trades in Mechukua are reflected in all. One window is a mirror of the other. Only a smaller time frame, na moja inaangalia a bigger time frame, but it's the same trade.
Okay, but when now you say you may take a profit, does it give you a precise indicator on any of the charts?
Well, so one of those things that scroll here on the right hand side. Amo kuziona?
On the right hand side?
Yeah.
Of which window?
Of the chart. Of the whole window, the whole, when you take profits, when you take trades, si kitu inatokea ina pop out huku juu.
Yes, yes.
So haukuona zile zimetokea
Yes.
sahi?
I think my focus may have been elsewhere.
Eh,
I mean, I was looking at the chart, but maybe looking at upper on the left on the 1 minute chart,
yeah.
and maybe I wasn't necessarily expecting something, so it may
Okay.
have happened and I missed it.
Okay. Anyway, it happened very fast. All the
Yes.
trades, very many of them took profit. Okay.
Maybe I'll see it in the recording.
Yes. 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 So
Mhm.
my point I was trying to bring across ni kwamba sahi I can decide to kill all the trades. Look at my negative on the bottom right hand side. Unaona? Now I'm minus.
Bottom right hand side.
Yes.
Yes.
Unaona?
That is the green and the yellow marked boxes.
Yes, completely at the bottom. What do you see? The number I've circled.
I can see a number there, though I can't read it properly. But I
Okay.
can see some number.
It's minus $2,000.
Okay.
In other words, because of the trades the way they are right now I am running negative.
Yes.
Very big negative. Minus 2,000. Oh, it's minus 3,000 actually. Minus 3,000.
Yes.
Now it's minus 2,000. As you can see, if you can look simultaneously what's happening on the 1 minute chart, angalia simultaneously what's happening on that candle, and at the same time the numbers down there. As the candles go up, the numbers decrease. As the candle goes down, the numbers increase. Okay.
Yes.
So if at some point nimesema, hey, okay, these losses are too many, all I'll have to do, I'll come on the right hand side, at the bottom right hand side above the big loss, and either kill some of those trades one by one. The excess.
Yes. Yes.
Kill them
Yes.
one by one. There are so many. There are about 350 trades. Okay.
Yes.
Or I can close all of them. This close all.
Yeah, I can see that.
If you do that, you'll have closed all the 350 trades. But
yeah, at once.
yes, but also you'll have lost $2,000, 2,100, and
Wow.
that balance.
Yes.
So you don't want to close unless you're sure you want to close.
So what do? You let them, they could turn, and for example, like let's assume that now the market begins moving in your favor.
Yeah.
Will they, having already registered there as losses, become profits?
Yes, they will become profits.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now, again,
Yes.
because I've been trading for a while, and this was not a good way to trade. If you're a scalper, you need to be in and out, in and out. Okay.
Yes.
So this has taken a while. It's taken more than an hour. But
Yes.
when I look, I see there. So right now it's minus 1,900. Okay. I look at the 1 hour chart. I'm still optimistic kwamba the market is still going up. If I look at the 5 minute chart, mahali imefika sasa, it's forming a V, something like that. Okay. I believe it's still going to come up. Unaona? Okay. Na nikiangalia the 1 minute chart already isha turn, so inaanza kwenda juu. I'm just hoping kwamba because now this is a higher low. This was a lower low, but this is a higher low. I'm hoping that now it will go up. It will form another. Itakuja ende juu, alafu kuja chini kidogo, alafu iende juu, chini kidogo, mpaka ifike hapa juu.
Yes.
Mpaka ifike hapa. Unaona? So I know it's kind of messy, it's kind of dirty, but as you can see what I'm trying to do, I'm hoping kwamba itafika hapa.
Yes. So does that mean that because you are hoping itafika hapo, and let's assume that's what will happen, you will just have to wait until it gets there?
Yes, absolutely. That is what Forex is all about. Patience.
Okay.
You sit and wait and wait and wait and wait until
So
it
that
happens.
means therefore, you can, I don't, like now for us who are printing statements.
Yes.
I don't go to ask for the statements.
No, you don't. You wait until the trades are done. Then you ask
Okay.
for statements. Yeah. So ukiangalia the
Oh.
middle, yeah, the middle chart,
Yes.
katikati.
Yes.
So naona imeform, it's doing well now. These are highs, low, lower high. So naona vile inaenda sahi.
Yes.
So ukiangalia, this is like a trend. Yeah, like a trend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm still hoping kwamba hii itarudi mpaka hapa juu. And by the time ifika hapo juu, hebu angalia hiyo nini? This thing here, it's minus 2000 still. It keeps going down, then coming up, going down, coming up. But hopefully this will go down. And by the time ifike hapa, I think I'll have made up. Okay, now it's until 1400. See, isharuka tena. 1400. So by the time ifike hapa, you'll see they'll all be positive. Okay. So the big lesson to learn here ni kwamba the market can go against you.
Yes.
But if you know for sure that the market, not for sure, but at least you're optimistic kwamba the market was going in the direction you knew, then you take your trades in a smarter way.
Yeah.
Smartly. Sindio?
Yes.
Kwa mfano, given the 1 hour, I knew that the market is still going to go up, which means in the 5 minutes, okay, whenever it goes up like that, I look at the 1 minute and take trades accordingly. Like now, iko hapa chini. Okay? Since iko hapa, I know imeenda juu, chini, juu, chini. This is a good place to enter buy, but only if my take profit will land me before your line.
Yes.
If not, I don't enter the trade.
Okay.
Sawa.
Yeah, I think that's better. I guess okay. Another thing before I finalize with that. So like now, when we are taking our trades and whatever, still at this level of practice.
Yeah.
I do not necessarily need to take like one to say I'm taking 50 trades, of which each of them are projected at 2 pips. I don't have to just click 50 times. I can click as I watch.
Yes, absolutely. And that's a better way.
Okay.
That's a better way.
Yes.
Remember, the market keeps moving. It doesn't wait for you. So ideally, what I should have done was I should not have taken any trades from there back in market ifike hapa. I should have started doing my buying over here. No. So that I have less losses. But see, before I was taking trades there, I was taking there, and these losses are accumulating. So your entry is very, very important. No. So if I take the trades here, you buy at the lowest and you sell high. You always in the market, you go and bargain.
Buy low, sell high.
Absolutely. So this would have been the best place to really buy a lot, because if I'd entered through here, a big heavy in imagine I would have let me measure it. From there, this is what would have happened. So if I'd entered here, no, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to measure, see 2 pips. The 2 pips are right here. People. So right now, I would have hit my 2 pips. Sindio? Sindio? Because the 2 pips is here.
It means 2.9.
Yeah, well, even lower. I'm just measuring to show you about there. Maybe 1.8. Yeah. It's just a rough estimate.
Okay.
So if I'd entered my trades here,
yes.
By the time zifike hapa, I would have taken all profit. Can you imagine each time imeshuka chini hapa tena, I would have entered, and by the time imefika hapa, I would have taken all my profit. By the time imefika hapa tena, hapo, I would have taken all my profit. So I would not be waiting all this time. And the reason why I'm waiting all this time is because I didn't enter my trades at the right time. Plus, Right now, I'm trying to multitask. I'm talking to you. Before that, there was a call that came, so I was not even looking at my trades. No, man.
Yes.
You get the point?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, like right now, the
Yes.
market keeps going down, and laughing in the Jew. Down, and laughing in the Jew. Okay. But I've not given up because I know what it's doing on the 1 hour. It
Yes.
will go up, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway,
That makes sense. That
if
makes
we
sense.
yes, if we make the video too long, I will not be able to send it. I have to send it through WhatsApp.
Now, what you do, I think you can just stop it there. Send me this so that I can also interact with it. And then I think by the time I come to do the New York trade,
Yeah.
I should have at least been able to glean a few things out of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sawa.
Yeah,
Basi,
that's quite helpful.
yes. Yes. I'm going to stop it now and then share.
Yes.
Sawa.
Sawa.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be waiting for it.
All right. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.